Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Animal Company. Hope you guys all enjoy. And now let's start the video. Well, this game's like kind of like Lethal Company with like Gorilla Tag and all that. If you know what those two games are, then
you died too.
No.
Alright.
No way, bro.
How much weight? 200?
Let me suck that booty. No way, broski really killed himself.
Oh.
Bro.
He has nothing.
Dude, none of them have anything.
Dude, that's my bag, there's nothing.
That one explosion I caused was the beginning of the very end.
Who's done it? You're just giving me money at this point.
Let's go!
Bro, seriously, why do you keep doing that? There's nothing gonna be in this.
Oh, ah. Wait, let me just...
Hey, light blue, can you... That's my bag, can you give it back? Hey guys, I'm gonna go to the red light, green light robot, or maybe
red light,
somewhere
green
else.
light robot? What? What do you mean red light, green light robot? I never heard of that. Oh wait, I remember. Oh damn. Oh, I remembered now. Oh, that's annoying. Oh. Right, let's go to the red light, green light robot. Oh, it's a bag. Does it have anything? Nothing. It's still there.
There's nothing there. There's nothing really useful there. Like only a gold
I know,
bar and some Stanley cups.
I'm just going to the red light, green light bot.
Don't even try it. Oh, I can grab that, my bad. It's okay if I get that crowbar. I'm gonna try to fight him. Wait, we need to get the shotgun. Wait, is there a way to get money in this game? Yeah, by like selling it.
I'm recording a video right now.
I wanna try to fight him. We could get a grenade. Shotgun. We could get a grenade.
Wait, let's do it with that one. Let's do it with that one.
Grenade him? Yeah. I don't think he did that. Dude, I'm serious.
I hear him coming.
Here, don't worry. I'll go first.
Blah 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 blah.
Here.
What are you doing?
Diddy!
What are you doing? Diddy!
Oh! Wait! Red, go back.
You're retarded.
Red, go. Oh, no, back! Go back!
No, wait.
Oh, that's scary as hell. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Red, I didn't even move and I died.
Bruh. Wait, did you call me red?
I'm
I'm orange. I'm clearly
Guys,
orange.
in that cave, I had like 10 gold bars in that bag. Hand up, ding.
Ooh, landmine.
Ding. No. What? Ding. Ding.
Hello.
Wait, is that you?
Red is that my friend Red?
Ding, ring it, ding. Ding.
Alright. Yeah, hey, grab that bag.
That thing's in there.
I know. I just need a bag. No, grab that bag.
Dinga dinga dinga.
Grab that bag.
Dinga dinga back over dinga dinga. Dinga 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 dinga.
Who had it?
Throwing it. Why does it go that far though?
Quick. Should we go up here? Let's go up here. Let's go up here, y'all. Nothing's up there.
Dinga dinga.
I'm gonna go to the chicken.
Guys, I know where the Coca-Cola is. Follow me.
Okay, Mr. Coca-Cola.
We gotta explode the big meanie.
Coca-Cola.
We gotta explode the big meanie, man. We gotta explode him.
Coca-Cola, follow red.
That way. Going this way? Going this way.
Coca-Cola.
Down there. Oh. Someone's bag. Should we get it?
Go grab the Coca-Cola. It's right
Get the
there.
bag.
Mr. Coca-Cola.
Let's go grab the Coca-Cola.
I got the Stanley Cup. Help me! I got the Stanley Cup.
Do you need that?
This is me.
You're new.
I made
You're a new player.
I made that. I made this one. I need money.
Oh.
Give me your
If
money.
you need money, then
Well,
get
my hands
money.
look like this.
Wait a moment.
Get back.
There's nothing else than just green monsters.
Stop screaming.
Bro, dude, I can hear their screams. I can like hear their screams.
Yeah. Their screams
Dude,
are
it's
going
so
on
actually
YouTube.
funny, dude.
It's going
The
on
red light, green
YouTube.
light monster. Dude, the red light, green light monster is the real life depiction of high risk, low reward. Like, actually, it has nothing. Like, seriously, just nothing.
Well, it probably does have something. Just players' bags that you could just grab and sell for like
Yeah.
$2. Nah, I didn't get that bag I threw. No, where's the bag I threw? Oh.
I grabbed the egg.
No! I lost Aura. But come on, I need to sell something in this video at least, man. I need to sell something. I keep losing Aura. I keep losing Skippy Aura.
Let's see how much his parts sell on the black market.
Bro, were you trying to lock me in?
No, it's a rocket ship. Go in the rocket ship.
No, okay, I'll go in the rocket ship.
Let me launch you guys into space. I was supposed to go in. No, bro.
Let me go in.
You missed, bro. What the fuck? Wait, why is there a body in here?
I love that rocket ship ride. I love that rocket ship ride. I love it. I love the rocket ship ride.
Hey, you leaving me?
What the hell? Since when does Dave go on vacation?
Yo, Orange, what's up, my brother? I got a Stanley, I got can. I got 2 cans and 1 Stanley. Good boy.
I'm recording a video, by the way. That's gonna go on YouTube.
I wanna kiss you.
Everybody go to Coca-Cola Land. Follow me.
Coca-Cola! Coca-Cola, boys.
His name is
Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Over here, y'all.
I keep losing aura. Hey. I keep falling to my death. It's because of that stupid chicken. Bruh. Someone fell. I'm gonna spawn, yes. I'm keep falling down the bloody river. Oh, landmine! I touched that landmine. How didn't I die?
Bro! English or Spanish? Or... I'm not moving. Nuh-uh.
I blame you. Go badasses.
So yeah, this is the thing I'm gonna be sending the video. A bag. No, that's my bag. Guys, I got something to put in the rocket ship. I got something to put in the rocket ship. Guys, I got something to put in the rocket ship.
He's dead.
Here we go. How much we gonna get? Yeah, $2. $2. Let's go.
Someone bring grenades to red light, green light. Dude, I'm not gonna bring a grenade.
Dude, should I go to Mike Tyson?
You so swear.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Mike Tyson without flashlight. I don't know if that's a smart idea or a really stupid idea. But I'm just gonna go to Mike Tyson, guys. If I remember where he is. Oh no, I think they moved where he was. Wait, I think he's there. At least around there. Oh no, he's next to the red light, green light area. So let's just go to the red light, green light area. Ah! Ah! Stop! Ooh, ooh. Monkey!
Come here, boy.
Yeah, give me some light. Give me some light. Give me some light. Come in here. Give me some light.
Yo, bro, what's up?
Yeah, give me some light. Follow me.
Bro, do I?
Mike Tyson.
Bro, that's not like I send us way in the wrong junction.
I got Stanley Cup. I got Stanley Cup. Go 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 go. No, Mike Tyson. Oh my god, I had the Stanley Cup, man. Every time I grab the Stanley Cup, I always die. Go to the rocket ship ride. Enjoy the rocket ship ride. Go into the rocket ship.
I really don't think so.
Enjoy your rocket ship ride. Oh wait, he was holding a flashlight, that's how I got money.
How does this shit work?
In the maze,
Going.
green light.
Okay, I had to sell at least one actual thing. Even if this is a banana or a can. But I'm hoping for a Stanley Cup. How long's bro been standing here for? Are you Mike Tyson? Alright guys, we're getting a bunch of money with this one. What's this? What type of grounded teleporter is that? Guys, I got a Stanley Cup.
Can I have the backer?
Wait. Someone click the buttons.
Wait, how do you play this game? Wait, where's in
No,
here?
you just need to
Where's in here?
Oh.
Where's in here?
sell it.
Oh,
You have to sell it. Ooh, that's a bit of money, I see. Nice. Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys will enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.